In this video, I'm going to show you how to mention groups in your WhatsApp status. This will ensure that you reach more audience and tag as many groups as possible. Okay, as usual in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, open WhatsApp. Now you can see here mine is selected in the updates, this button here. Make sure you click on the updates button, then click on the photo icon for adding a photo. This one here, the button here. Then select the status that you want to update. Okay, let's say I want to post this status here. Okay, or I can even choose another one. You can either choose a photo or a video. Let me now choose a photo this time around. Then select the art button, or the art icon here to the right at the bottom. This one, just tap on it, then select the groups that you want to tag. After doing that, make sure that you select on the tick symbol, and by doing that you will be able to mention or tag the groups in your WhatsApp update or status. Thank you.